Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily build a website using Canva AI. No coding is needed, totally beginner friendly. And okay, let's get started. First, just log into your Canva account. And then from your dashboard, just click Canva AI. And then click Code for Me. Next, just describe the type of website that you want. For example, I will type like this. Like this, and then just click Generate. And see, Canva will automatically generate your website. It's super cool. Next, once your site is generated, just click Use InDesign to start editing. And here you can update text, add elements, replace images, change the colors, arrange layouts, or even add new pages, all with drag and drop ease. And if you use the brand kit, Canva can automatically apply your logo, fonts, and brand colors across the site. And once you're happy with your designs, just click on preview to see how it looks on both desktop or even in mobile, like this. And if everything looks good, just hit publish, and then your site will go live with a free Canva subdomain. And that's it. That's how easy it is to build a beautiful website using Canva AI. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.